Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see watch history on Instagram. So first of all, I'm going to tell you whenever you watched a reel or like or save it, then you can watch the history of those reels or post on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, if you like those reels and how can you find them on history? So you just have to tap on your profile. After tapping on your profile, you just have to tap on top right corner of option settings. Now tap on your activity, which is fourth option. Now you have to tap on likes. Now here you will see all the history of liked reels. So here you can see another method of seeing the history is going to saved reels. So in this way you just have to go back to profile. Now tap on options on top right corner. Now tap on saved. Here you will also see all of the saved reels which you have already saved, and you will see all the history of these and you can rewatch easily. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.